Step into the fairy tale realm of Ghent, where medieval splendor meets modern creativity, painting an enchanting tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. Here are the best things to do in Ghent, Belgium. Number 13. Castle of the Counts. Discover Castle of the Counts for an immersive journey into medieval life. Wander through soaring halls and winding passageways, gaining an intimate glimpse into the past. Marvel at the stunning architecture, giving you first-hand insight into this impactful era. This historical landmark also offers a unique cultural experience. Every stone of this medieval castle tells a tale of the city's alluring history. Delve into the culture, practices, and lifestyle of medieval Ghent's inhabitants through an unrivaled educational visit. Engage with exhibits that vividly portray the essence of the era. While you're there, make sure to explore the castle's nooks and corners, each holding secrets of a distant time. Number 12. St. Michael's Bridge. Take a leisurely stroll across the centuries-old St. Michael's and soak in its enchanting ambience. This vibrant attraction is strategically positioned at the confluence of Ghent's picturesque Leie and Scheldt rivers. The bridge's charm is heightened by the presence of an iconic bronze sculpture depicting St. Michael valiantly subduing a writhing dragon, injecting an aura of mystique into the surroundings. As you explore further, you'll be swept away by the sweeping views that unfold before you from this remarkable vantage point. Feast your eyes upon the resplendent beauty of towering landmarks, including the awe-inspiring St. Michael's Church, the bustling streets, and the grandeur of the Castle of Counts that looms majestically on the horizon. Number 11. St. Bavo's Cathedral. St. Bavo's Cathedral perfectly blends Romanesque, Baroque, and Gothic elements, forming an architectural marvel. The cathedral houses a valuable art collection showcasing craftsmanship spanning centuries. The renowned altarpiece, an exquisite masterpiece, remains a magnet for global visitors. Traverse the cathedral, the oldest parish church in the city, and witness its unfolding ancient grandeur. Engage with the intricate design enveloped in a serene ambience that encourages contemplation. Explore every corner to unearth new wonders, from delicate carvings to awe-inspiring stained glass windows. Number 10. St. Bavo's Abbey. St. Bavo's Abbey welcomes you to experience its serene ambience and remarkable offerings. Delve into the architectural wonders as you traverse this historical landmark. Dating back to the mid-7th century, the Abbey showcases a fascinating history of spirituality and devotion. Marvel at the impressive 5-meter-high columns crafted from hornbeam wood that adorn the Abbey's interior. The unique surprise lies within. An unconventional concrete stage graces the space where traditional altars would stand, serving as a platform for artistic expressions and performances. The Abbey's beautiful surroundings are perfect for finding moments of solace and reflection. The tranquil atmosphere will help you connect with your spirituality while appreciating the beauty of Christian faith and church art. Number 9. Ghent Belfry. If you're seeking an exceptional experience during your Ghent trip, make sure to include the Ghent Belfry on your itinerary. This striking bell tower stands prominently between St. Nicholas Church and St. Bavo's Cathedral, beautifully enhancing the city's skyline. Soaring to an impressive height of 300 feet, the belfry has stood as a historical and architectural gem since 1402. Delve into its rich heritage as you explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Don't miss the chance to ascend the tower's summit for jaw-dropping panoramic views of Ghent and its surroundings. The climb itself is an adventure, and the vistas from the top offer an unmatched perspective of the city's beauty. Number 8. Ghent Canal Cruise. Take your Ghent adventure to the next level by going on a canal cruise. This transformative journey promises a remarkable 40-minute experience, allowing you to soak in the charm of Ghent from an entirely novel vantage point. Delight in spectacular vistas of impressive fortresses, majestic churches, iconic bell towers, and historic houses. Drift along the waterway, absorbing the beauty of architectural landmarks and waterfront attractions that adorn the scenic route. You will love this adventure, as experts are available through guided tours to make the experience more interesting by sharing engrossing historical insights to enrich your understanding of Ghent's deep cultural heritage. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Ghent experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Pottershow. Experience the ambience of a typical Ghent neighborhood by exploring the inviting allure of Pottershow. Meandering through the labyrinthine streets lined with enchanting 16th century houses, bustling artist workshops, and a plethora of inviting restaurants. Among the gems of Pottershow lies Confiserie Temmerman, an iconic candy store featuring an ornate Baroque facade. This establishment, managed by the same family for 8 generations, preserves the town's heritage. Venture inside to witness a collection of classic confections that have delighted generations. Number 6. Friday Market Square. Go on a delightful culinary adventure at Friday Market, one of the oldest squares in the city. With its charming setting, this place offers a chance to savor mouth-watering treats while being surrounded by the buzz of the market. Absorb the vibrant atmosphere and choose from a wide array of food and drink options. Indulge in traditional Belgian dishes such as mussels and fries, or explore local delicacies. From seafood to Belgian beer, Friday Market caters to diverse tastes. Number 5. Castle of Gerald the Devil. Delve into the eventful history of the city at the Castle of Gerald the Devil. Built in the 13th century, this castle offers an intriguing experience that will leave you enthralled. Explore the rooms where medieval knights resided and envision the classrooms where students learned centuries ago. Wander through its corridors and experience the different roles it played over time. Discover the castle's various uses: a knight's residence, a monastery, a school, and even a mental health facility. Feel the echoes of the past as you step into each room, soaking in the atmosphere of its diverse history, and absorb the stories held within its walls, which have witnessed countless moments of the city's evolution. Number 4. Great Butcher's Hall. The Great Butcher's Hall presents an irresistible delight. This charming eatery, a relic from the 15th century, promises a sensory feast. Upon entering, your gaze meets Gonda ham gracefully suspended from the ceiling, a sight that ensnares the senses. Within these walls, an assortment of meat hangs, paying homage to Ghent's rich culinary legacy. Find your place, surrender to the ambience, and relish the medley of flavors. The venue's architectural allure shines through its intricate design and splendid facade. As you further enter the interior, you will encounter an ambience that envelops you, allowing you to experience a seamless fusion of history and modern comfort. Number 3. Graslei and Korrelei. For a more exhilarating adventure, head over to Graslei and Korrelei and soak up their entrancing atmosphere. Enjoy the attractive beauty of these waterfront quaysides along with the Laya River. Stroll along cobblestone streets and you'll be captivated by well-preserved centuries-old architecture and the tranquil riverside setting. This area also showcases some of the city's most remarkable sights, providing an interesting glimpse into its past. Relax at charming cafes, enjoying local delicacies while taking in picturesque surroundings. You can also indulge in leisurely walks, shopping for unique souvenirs, and absorbing the vibrant local culture. Number 2. Stam, Ghent City Museum. There is no better place to gain a comprehensive understanding of the city's history and culture than by visiting Stam. As the ultimate Ghent City Museum, Stam offers a unique chance to immerse yourself in the past and discover intriguing artifacts and exhibits. Wander through the museum's multimedia displays, which breathe life into historical events, and explore imaginative collections that paint a vivid picture of the city's evolution. Use this opportunity to discover the city's significant milestones, making it an educational and insightful visit. Moreover, the strategic location makes it an ideal point to explore more important places. After the museum visit, set out to explore the city's enchanting waterways and medieval quays to familiarize yourself with the city. Number 1. St. Nicholas Church. Welcome to the St. Nicholas Church, where you'll be embraced by a world of architectural marvel and profound spiritual tranquility. Upon stepping inside, take a moment to appreciate the intricate interior that elegantly echoes the skill and dedication of the past. Envelop yourself in the serene aura, allowing the very essence of spirituality to wash over you. As you explore, you'll witness the harmonious fusion of artistic brilliance and steadfast faith that has endured through the ages. Every corner of this sacred space holds a narrative, and each wall resonates with the echoes of devotion. Also, ensure to participate in a variety of religious events designed to enrich your spirit. Click here for more things to do in Belgium.